Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's October 1st and we're going to take a look at how the onion seeds are doing. We'll give you a little update. It's been 9 days since these were planted. These are the bunching onions, and you can see they just look like a bunch of grass here. But you could see how heavy I planted them in here. And these are the Texas early granos. Now, I didn't plant these as thick, but the seeds didn't germinate as well either, because these were some seeds from last year, 19. And seeds lose their viability really quickly. So, as you can see, the germination rate wasn't near as good, even though I didn't plant these quite as heavy as my collected seeds. They should have been about twice as thick as they are. Now, my red granos, they were planted at the same time, 9 days ago. And now these weren't planted as thick either, but these were also older seeds. So, as you can see, their germination rate is really low, or they're actually slow too, because there are still some seeds germinating in here, but they're just really slow. Over here are our Spanish white onions, and these seeds were from 2018, which was a couple years old. And as you can see, there's not one seed germination. And these were planted pretty heavy. And what I'm trying to stress here is that onion seeds are not viable for very long. So if you're going to plant onions, make sure that, and you buy seeds, go ahead and plant them. Don't wait, because I didn't realize this. I'd learned this last year. That onion seeds weren't as viable after a year, and I decided to test it. And as you can see in this test, it really shows you that the seeds will not germinate after a couple years for sure. But this kind of fall central. We've got a lot of crops planted here, and hopefully these will be up and in the ground pretty soon. The first crop of onions that were started from seed, these were cut not that long ago. They're already up 6-7 inches tall. Now, these are the bunching onions, and these are the early granos, and you can see how much more vigorous these are. They were both trimmed back at the same time. The bunching onions grow so much faster and than the early granos, but these are mainly going to be for large onions. We'll grow these into bulb onions next year. These will be planted for table onions, and so there'll be a big crop as far as a lot of table onions from these, and the other ones that we've just started. These will be a little bit ahead. They're at the size now. They could probably be transplanted, but I might give these one more haircut and then take and let them get just a little bit bigger. But this is the update. This gives you an idea of how quick onions grow and how easy it is to grow them from seed. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like and share it so your friends can see it. And if you want to see more of my videos, just hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be notified as they come out. Happy gardening.